Welcome to our cooking tutorial. Today, we're preparing a delicious and healthy baked salmon with lemon and dill. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 4 salmon fillets, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 lemons, 2 tablespoons of fresh dill, salt and pepper to taste, and 4 minced garlic cloves. Ready? Let's dive into the steps. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly grease a baking dish with olive oil. Place your salmon fillets in the dish, drizzle them with olive oil, and season with salt, pepper, and minced garlic. For an added touch of flavor, sprinkle some thyme and rosemary on top. These steps set the foundation for our delicious baked salmon. Next, we'll enhance the dish with fresh lemon slices and chopped dill. Place lemon slices on the salmon and sprinkle with chopped dill. This adds a fresh, zesty flavor to your dish. Now, we'll move on to baking the salmon to perfection. Your salmon is now perfectly seasoned and adorned with lemon and dill. Place the baking dish in your preheated oven and set the timer for 20 to 25 minutes. When the time is up, use a fork to check if the salmon flakes easily. This indicates it's tender and ready to serve. Careful timing ensures a succulent, flavorful bite every time. Finally, we'll serve this beautiful dish. Serve your baked salmon immediately with a side of steamed vegetables or a fresh salad. Enjoy your healthy and delicious meal.